Hi everyone. Today I'm excited to share a demo of Fireworks Manus, a browser native AI agent designed to help you automate web interactions, extract insights, and analyze content at scale. Whether you're in product, research, or engineering, this agent gives you a fast, intelligent way to explore and act on the web, which is powered entirely by Fireworks AI's high performance infrastructure. So, at the core of Manus, we have two state of the art models. One, DeepSeek V3, which handles reasoning, summarization, and planning. And we have Fire Lava 13B, a vision language model that understands what's on the page, not just the code underneath. Let's walk through what it can do. We'll start with a very common use case of SEO analysis. I'm going to ask it to go to Aishwarya.ai, which is my personal website, and tell me how to improve its SEO. Manus loads the page, looks at the headers, meta tags, content structure, etc., even alt text on the images, and returns actionable suggestions without any extensions or manual digging in. You can actually click on agent activity and see the steps that it is taking. So there you go. It's able to give me an entire list of SEO optimizations that I can do on my page. Now, in the similar way, I can use this tool to help me with various different things. I can ask it to go and summarize the main points on a particular page, where it reads through the page like a human would, from top to bottom, both text and the layout, and it gives you a clean, high level summary powered by DeepSeek's reasoning capabilities. This makes Manus ideal for quickly scanning blogs, articles, product pages, and even research papers. If you need to compare two competitors, you can say something like visit these two sites and tell me the main differences. Fireworks Manus hops between tabs, extracts key information, and highlights the distinction, which includes pricing, features, tone, visuals, etc. It's fast, structured, and reliable. If you're looking to extract specific data, you can try something like find all the pricing information on this page. So instead of parsing raw HTML, the agent uses visual context to identify relevant pricing blocks like a real user scanning the page. That means fewer errors and more relevant results. Under the hood, it's all running on Fireworks AI. What does that get you? Well, it gets you fast and consistent performance, scalable production grade inference, and cost effective deployment using open models. DeepSeek V3 brings the planning and language capabilities, while Fire Lava 13B adds vision, enabling the agent to interact with modern dynamic websites just like a user would. Compared to traditional tools or single model agents, Fireworks Manus is faster, more responsive, and context aware. It's not just executing steps, it's making informed decisions at every click, scroll, or content extraction. If you're building workflows for SEO, content intelligence, or browser automation, Fireworks Manus gives you a smarter foundation built on open models deployed on world class infrastructure. You can try this out for yourself. The full setup and the usage steps are available in our GitHub repository. And if you would like to experiment, you can easily swap out the models in the config file, whether it's a different vision model or another LLM from Fireworks' growing model library. I hope you found this insightful and go check it out. All the details are given in the description below.